Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT hands-on review. Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT smartphone was launched in July 2017. The phone comes with the 5.50-inch touchscreen display with the resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT price in India starts from Rs. 9,350. The Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT is powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 2 GB of RAM. The phone packs 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 152.40 by 78.60 by 7.60, height x width x thickness, and weight 170.00 grams. The Samsung Galaxy J7 NXT is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts microSIM and microSIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, headphones, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?